Would also like to give you an update on the aircon prices that they have here. They got this inverter aircon by Panasonic. So for a 1 horsepower split type inverter, that's their price, 30,799.75. So the 1.5 split type inverter, 34,299.75, and the 2 horsepower split type inverter is 45,999.75, and the 2.5 split type inverter is 54,299.75. So that's how it looks like. It's got a sleek design there. Panasonic. You also got the Daikin split type 1 horsepower inverter. Daikin is only 29,975. They got the Coppel aircon, window type 1.5 horsepower. The promo price is 19,099.75. Panasonic 0.75 horsepower window is 14,799.75. This is manual, so you need to operate it here. No remote control. This is another 0.75 window type aircon, but this one Panasonic with remote. So the difference with the manual and remote controlled aircon is about 3,000 pesos. So you can remotely control this aircon, still 0.75 horsepower like this manual type, but 17,999.75. So about 3,000 pesos, 3,200 pesos difference just to have a remote control. So we go on the front. This is the Coppel inverter type. I bought one of these, the same design. So this is the price. The 1 horsepower inverter split type is 27,899.75. The 1.5 is 31,599.75. That's the 2 horsepower, 42,999.75, and this is the 2.5 horsepower split type inverter, 46,899.75. For Samsung split type inverter, the horsepower 1 horsepower split type inverter Samsung is 22,599.75. The 1.5 horsepower is 25,999.75. And the 2 horsepower Samsung split type inverter is 35,899.75. And the last model that they have, they don't have 3 horsepower, but 2.5 split type inverter is 43,699.75. They have here the half 0.5 or half horsepower window aircon split type. Not split type, sorry, manual type window. So manual, there's no remote control, for only $599.75. Another window type aircon by Midea. That one is sharp. Midea 0.6 HP horsepower for only $7,599.75. And this is also manual. Another aircon. This one, it's not inverter, but just a normal aircon, window type, 1 horsepower with remote control. That's how it looks like. This one, window type manual by Panasonic. This one is white Westinghouse. The Panasonic 1 horsepower, but this is manual, is $15,999.75. Another Panasonic 0.6 horsepower manual, so no remote control. 0.6, so it's quite smaller if you have a smaller room, for only $10,599.75. The Panasonic 1 horsepower window type with remote control, 19,099 pesos and 75 cents. Another thing is Panasonic 1.5 horsepower window type remote controlled aircon, 25,699.75. This one is 1.5 horsepower Panasonic, but manual. It's only $22,499.75. The 2 horsepower Panasonic window aircon, but manual, is $30,499.75. It's now raining hard, you can hear it. And the last aircon they have here is 2 horsepower window type Panasonic manual, $26,489.75. So this one is 2.5 horsepower, where the other one is 2 horsepower window type, both in manual.